how to buy the pizza token. So this token came under the symbol of pizza. Now before we start, this is not financial advice, I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your research. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check the TheRichTech account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token, it's available on the explainer. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. This token address is on the Solana network. Open your wallet. For that, I will use the Bitget wallet. Now after that, select the Solana and drop from here. Now click on this plus icon, paste the token address here. So this is our token. Click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet, find your token that you just added. So as you can see, this is our token. Now click on it. After that, click on swap, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and make sure that you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now here, save how much you want to buy. So after a while, you will be able to see how much you receive. So as you can see, this is how much you receive that token. After that, click on swap, and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy pizza token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.